Hi, we'll see another case scenario of in image to diagnosis uh, involving the fetal orbits. Now, these are orbits, image of orbits taken during the anomaly scan of two fetuses. So, fetus 1 and fetus 2. Which of the cases do you think is an abnormal image of orbit? So if you'd like to see the approach to this case scenario, please log on to the ultrasound educational website www.sonoshare.in and go to the category of image to diagnosis, fetal medicine, and click on the I case scenario. Thank you. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.